There is also a really cool feature available for every single waypoint that we can easily add right now. These are the important notification messages that will be displayed when, for example, the vessel gradually approaches this specific waypoint. They will appear automatically on the screen. A detailed list will be activated in this window. It is a checklist, and here all the messages we add will be displayed. This is very convenient for the crew to manage during navigation. For example, if we were to set a specific report or a designated approach point right there, for someone truly important, it would be a very significant and meaningful place. From this specific section of the interface, we can easily view the entire list of items right here on this screen. Messages that we have added. As you can clearly see on the screen right now, the specific waypoint number to which this entry was added is visible. Furthermore, the detailed information that has been successfully added is shown. Specifically, this is the exact data that will be displayed on our main interface and right here within this dedicated window. In this section, we can manually select to check off whether we actually completed the task, whether it was officially reported or not, and if we called or didn't call the contact, and then simply click apply to save all your changes. The specific messages that we have carefully selected will be sent out immediately, and those that, for example, we haven't quite finished yet will remain in the queue until you are ready to complete them. Now, you might be wondering, how exactly do you do this? To perform this action, you will first need to go into the Navi Planner application, then open the specific route you want to edit, for example. Here we go ahead and select the waypoint and checklist. As you can see, both waypoint and the checklist are now fully accessible for us to utilize. First, we select waypoint, located right down here at the very bottom of the screen. We can easily add all the specific details and data points that we might need to include. For instance, I have already gone ahead and added this relevant information to waypoint 0. When we manually select the anchor and the vessel approaches this specific waypoint, this informative window will automatically display every single one of these messages, 1, 2, and 3, just to call them out. If, for example, you find that you need to report additional details or add more information to your records, you likely already know exactly where this waypoint of yours is located, so you can include specific details like when the vessel is departing by writing down those notes right here in this section. And save it, then route. Don't forget. Now you have it right here. This will be automatically displayed on your screen. It will be shown tactically when the vessel gradually approaches this specific